How to refund money on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually refund your money on PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually refund your money on PayPal, all you have to do is just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go to paypal.com and then log into your account. Then once you go to paypal.com and then sign into your account, you have to just go to the activity tab from the top of the screen, as you can see here. Once you go to activity tab, you will be able to see a list of payments that you've made over the past or even in the last 90 days or so. Basically, you just need to click the payment that you want to refund and then just click on the button that says issue a refund. Once you've done that, you have to enter the amount that you want to refund, and then once you've done that, just click on the continue button, then review the information and then click on the issue refund button. After that, PayPal is going to review the terms and conditions of the refund and then actually only hand over the refund to you. This is simply how you can refund your money or request refund on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.